What's up, YouTube? This your boy Taz, back with another video. This video is on my downspouts, my gutters, and yeah, everything's getting installed brand new. As you can see, guys are hard at work with the gutters, downspouts, with the downspouts, and your gutters up there. They replaced some of the siding, as you can see, the white patches and stuff like that. They already installed this one. Well, no, that's the old one. But they didn't get to that yet, so let's go ahead, go up front. See what's going on up front. New gutters installed, downspouts installed, top and bottom downspouts. Looking good so far. It's your boy Taz over and out.